Create a WhatsApp sticker. Hey everyone, Leonardo Paiva here with a new video. In this updated tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to make your own WhatsApp sticker. If you enjoy this type of content, there's more on the channel. Subscribe, I'm always making videos to help you out. Let's get started. I'm opening WhatsApp. This works for both regular WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business. Pick a contact to send your sticker to, then tap this icon below and hit Create. Select a photo. The app crops it for the sticker, but you can use the whole image too. Add text by tapping here and typing your message for the sticker. Here's a preview of your sticker. For each font, pick one for your sticker, then just type. If you don't like the text, you can remove it by dragging it to the trash up top. You can type here to rewrite any text you don't like. You can also click this icon to draw on your sticker. Pick a color and draw whatever you want. This button lets you undo if you accidentally delete text. You can recover text even if you erased it by mistake. Click this icon to choose Format Templates for your sticker. I'll pick this one. Get creative and play around with this sticker maker tool. In my example, I've already made my sticker. Click below to send the sticker you've created. It'll be saved for use in other conversations. Subscribe for more tutorials like this one. That's all for now. Take care. Thanks and see you next time.